Hey guys, what's up? Prince Rex here, and today I'm going to be playing another mini games video, and this time we're going to be playing Subway Surfers. So without further ado, let's get right into this. And if you don't know what Subway Surfers is, it's basically Jake, I think his name is, and this girl, I forgot her name, have to run across the railways and or the subways and run away from a cop and his dog. So, upgrade the app? No. No. Okay, yeah, we're running away from Santa Claus and his dog, Reindeer. There we go. So, you have to collect coins, and pretty simple. Simple, just dodging up, side, down, side. Yeah, so relatively easy stuff. Like that. Get these coins. Get this R. Ooh, and they are like boosts and, oh, Rosa, okay. Times 2, yay, okay. There are like, so I get times 2 coins? Yeah. No, these trains are going so fast. No, duck. Okay, then. High score. Nah. Let's see what other. Okay, never mind. So let's see if we can get a pretty good high score. How am I going to do this? Okay. There, 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 there. And we are gonna get Rosa's O. Yes. Wonder what happens when you get Rosa's O. Sorry, S and E. Can we use our times 2? Oh, hoverboard, awesome. So that's when you know you're gonna die. Get that, so you can do that. Oh man, I got rid of the S. Well, that's okay, cause I probably can get another one. So, no harm done, I guess. And let's see if I can get this jumping train thing. Jump from chain to chain, which I love. I love jumping from chain to chain. It's really fun. And like I said, I just got the S. Oh, shoot. Oh, man. Oh, you can run like that? Oh, that's cool. High score. Nope. Not logging into Facebook. Let's see if I can get the A. There we go. Get these coins. Okay. Come on. Where's they? I need you. And if you guys do have any, oh, there's the A. If you guys do have any suggestions on what game to play, leave it down below and I'll see what is there. And I will see if I like it. And if I do like it, I will play it. And yeah. So that will be fun. I'm open to pretty much any game. As long as it's appropriate for everyone, I'm open to anything. Yeah, as long as it is a game. Because this series is called Many Games. Get these coins. I'm doing pretty good. Hey, that's pretty good. Oh, gosh. Oh, come on. Get these coins. No, that was a risky. Get this. Get this. No! Save me. I don't care. Oh, there was supposed to be a... Oh, no. 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 Yes, I love these. They are amazing. See, I can just, like, avoid trains like that. They're so cool. Wait. Oh, shoot. That's gotta hurt. Let's see what this Rosa gives us. A hat. Oh, yeah, her name is Tricky. Tricky's hat. Wait, what happened? Oh, okay, I guess we're watching this? No, go back. Now! What just happened? No, it's game. Are you kidding me? No! Okay, let's try this again. Sorry for that, everyone. Aha! I score! Interesting, very interesting. Let's see. We'll go for a few more runs. And yeah. Let's see if I can... Oh, shoot. Can bump into those, really? Really? I have a lot of keys. No. Let's see what other characters I can play. And then we can do something. Jump. Jump. Side. Side, side. Oh. What are you doing to me? Nope. I'm good. Let's go to home. Nope. Don't want to update it. Let's go to me. Oh, this is Rosa, the Mexican special. Gift. Okay. It's a gift. Dark outfit. See, he's Jake. I got it right. Cool. Cool, cool. I really want to unlock Prince K, because in his Zag outfit, which is pretty good. And, ooh, they have Tricky, Spike. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's run again. And hope you guys had a very good Christmas, and we are... Actually, this is my first... No, I made a video in the new year. Never mind. Have I? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I made a video in the new year. 2017, everyone. Not 2016 anymore. Oh, come on. And when I write the date, it's... keep on writing 2016. So, have to get used to writing 2017. I think we'll do 3 more runs, and then I'll end the video there. So, first... Ooh, the jumpy shoes, which killed me last time. Yay. Yes. Yes. And do this. Oh. So, let's do 3 more runs. Try my best to get that. Yes. No, 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 no. How do you, oh, I could duck, yeah. Okay, 2 more runs. Counting down, come on, get these coins. Come on. You got me side to side, side to side. Oh, I almost died there. Wait, let's see if I can do side to side. You got me on side to side. Side to side. That, yes. No. No, that was so close. Oh. Come on, I literally jumped. Okay, this is our last round. Let us make it count. Yeah. Oh, I guess I'm doing another one. Okay, this is our official last one. Let's see if I can beat my old high score, which pretty much sucks. But yeah, let's go. And also, guys, I'm thinking about doing my old games, for example, like Smashy Road and Crossy Road, doing it in many games. I don't know. Tell me what you think down below in the comments. And yeah, feel free to leave another suggestion. I'm open to anything as long as it's family appropriate and stuff. So yeah, just all you gotta do is leave it in the comments. I am Superman. No, I'm not. I wish I was. Let's keep jumping! Jump for life! For days. Come on, jump over these trash bags. Yes, jumpy boots. I love it. Oh yeah, I got jumpy boots. Oh cool, I'm doing like crazy trick shots. Oh, I don't have my jumpy boots. Yes, I am so happy I used that. I would have died. No, how? Wrong way. Okay, I think that's pretty go. Okay, I'll just pause, go to main menu. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave a like and hopefully subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.